Everybody, Rob Orgel with Silencer Syndicate, and we're here with Otter Creek Labs. Man, Otter Creek Labs, not only do they do cool shit, but they've got a great following because their products are they're very spot on. Everybody loves the, what's that miniature, the
Polo K.
The Polo K,
Yeah.
Polonium, the
Yeah,
Polo,
Polonium
for sure.
K.
Polonium K, it's 6mm too, a great overall can, and then the full size too sounds even better. And man, I've been talking with you guys for a while because you know me and low back pressure, and you guys have been kind of hinting, hey Rob, a low back pressure is coming, just hold your breath, it's coming. And I saw an Instagram post, I think a couple days ago, that said, we're doing big things, and it showed a non-painted version. I was like, That's gotta be a 3D printed low back pressure, and now it's here, it's real, tell me about it.
So this is our Infinity. It is 3D printed Inconel, so it's our first time with additive technology in any of our suppressors, so it's our first 3D printed one. It is going to be 20 ounces, so it's a little on the heavier side to stuff that we've made in the past, but it's 3D printed Inconel, so it's going to be stronger as well. It is a 30 caliber bore, optimized for 5.56. So in all the testing that we did on our pulse, we kept changing it till it sounded really good on 5.56.
Nice.
But you can still shoot a 30 caliber projectile through it.
Instead of a 30 caliber can that can do 5.56, it's more of a 5.56 can that can do 30 caliber.
Exactly.
Totally.
So we wanted to make something more user-friendly in the terms of they can buy one can to literally do everything with, in the sense, so you can shoot 5.56, you can shoot 30 cal, you can change the end cap to be invented, you can make it solid, you can do whatever you want to do with it, within the restraints. And so I think we hit the nail on the head. We've been working on it for over a year. I don't know, we're well into the thousands probably on prototypes with it.
And this is going to cover 5.56 obviously, 6 obviously. What about barrel length restrictions? Well, it's Inconel, so probably full auto, no problem.
Yeah, full auto, no problem.
Barrel length, no problem?
So I need to double check that. So I don't make those decisions. That's more of an Andrew thing.
Sure.
I wish that he was here because I don't know everything there is to know. I know enough to be dangerous.
Okay.
And I know what I should and shouldn't say.
Okay, and that's one of those things.
That's one of those things that I don't want to say. I know that we have shot it on a lot of stuff that the normal person probably isn't going to do, and it has held up phenomenal.
Nice.
So we've torture tested a lot and had zero issues.
I'm excited for you guys stepping into this low back pressure and 3D printing all at the same time. I'm super excited for you guys. And this is a full back pressure system, so there's no mitigation, there's no cheating the system. This is going to be here for everybody to test and get gassed out or not.
And what we did is we put together the worst host we could imagine.
Oh, totally.
For it.
I see it's an LMT upper with an A2 front sight.
It's a 10.5 that has mil-spec everything, mil-spec spring buffer with the Vent 30 end cap on it. So this is the worst possible way that you are going to experience the suppressor, and it's still, hopefully to you, not bad.
Well, let's find out.
Yeah, let's find out.
All right, so we got the A2 front sight, which is a super maximum gas pressure to the rear. It looks like a 10.3, so I mean, every opportunity to shine or set fire to a low back pressure suppressor. I'm not feeling gas as a righty. I'm not sniffing gas. I saw some coming out that ejection port, but I'm not sniffing it. I'm not feeling it. No, like nothing. Wow, this thing is really, I mean, of course we'll put it on our standard test where we'll find out with how much back pressure on a quantifiable level. But I mean, there's not much of a breeze. You saw the gases floating out the ejection port in the last round. So there's no breeze helping. And I mean, I could barely smell or taste the gas at all.
Yeah,
this thing is performing.
It's been impressive. Like, I mean, I don't get to make many of the decisions as little brother in the company, but I did design the end cap, so I'm proud of that. I wanted to throw that in there.
I like it. It looks good, and I like how you put ports even around the end there.
Yeah, so we did a lot of flash testing with it. Yeah, we did a lot of nighttime and day. Just any kind of flash testing we could do. We all went out at night and shot it, and then played with a bunch of different end cap designs. There's probably a million end caps laying at the shop for it that all look completely different, just because we couldn't find what we were happy with. And it's been a project.
Best results. Theoreticals are just that.
Yeah,
that's very cool. I can't wait to get my hands on one and do some in-depth testing, because this thing really, I mean, as of now, seems, unless you cheated somehow, which I don't see where you would have, this is very low back pressure. I'm excited to do more testing. Thank you for taking the time and educating us on
absolutely.
All right, cool. Guys, as always, like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the comments section. Stay safe.